Hello everyone. This is a recipe for my Aloo Keema and Matar curry, and I just have mincemeat, potatoes, and green peas in there. So here I have my ingredients: one large onion sliced, 1.5 tablespoon of minced ginger and garlic, and 2 medium-sized tomatoes, chopped into small pieces. And also I have 4 large potatoes cut up into small cubes, and almost 2 pounds of minced beef. Here I'm using beef, but you can also use chicken or lamb minced meat if you want. I shouldn't need too much oil for this recipe because I have some fat in my beef, and that's going to cook into oil. So here I have my spices. I have a half cinnamon stick and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 black cardamoms, just a few black pepper whole, and a few cloves, about 4 to 5, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And I also have a tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and then about a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Also, I have about a tablespoon of black pepper, crushed black pepper, not powder, but just like I don't like the black pepper powder, so I use crushed black pepper. I have about 1.5 cup
crushed
of
black
frozen
pepper,
then I have a half
there,
cup of
and
canola oil here, just a half cup. No, you shouldn't need more than that. Especially if you're using a non-stick pot, you shouldn't need more oil. And here I'm just gonna add the oil and heat it in my pot. And once the oil is getting warm or hot, I'm just gonna add the whole garam masalas in there, not the powder, just the basic garam, like the whole garam masalas I have. Here I'm gonna give it a quick stir for a few seconds, less than a minute. As I smell the fragrance from the masalas, I'm just gonna add my onions in there. Stir fry them until they're golden brown. Not too brown, just a bit of golden brown, like you'll see later. So here the onions are ready, and now I'm just gonna add the meat. Just the meat, and also the tomatoes, my ginger, garlic. So here I'm just gonna add the ginger, garlic, and tomatoes in there, and all the spices. But I'm not gonna put the potatoes and the green peas yet because I want the meat to cook thoroughly. So I'm gonna give it a good stir. Once I put the phone down, I'll probably do a better job, but here I'm just showing you how I'm gonna mix everything together. And once I have all the ingredients mixed together, I'm gonna turn the heat to medium low and cover the pot and let it cook, like simmer on like low medium, very low medium heat for about an hour. I'll show you how it should look once it's ready for the potatoes and the green peas. So here I'm just gonna cover the pot, and here my meat is ready. After about an hour 15 minutes, my meat is ready. The oil separated from the meat, and there's no water or gravy left, just the oil and the meat. So here I'm giving it a good stir again, and I'm gonna take the heat to a high, just so I can add the potatoes, the green peas, and give it like a good stir fry for a few, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So here I'm just gonna add the potatoes, the green peas, give it a good stir, mix everything together while the potatoes are still hard. And I'm not gonna add any water to cook the potatoes. I have the heat on high at this point just to mix everything together really well. And once that's done, I'm just going to lower the heat again to a medium low, and I'm going to cover the pot, let everything, like the potatoes and the peas, cook for another half an hour. Excuse me. So over here, everything is ready. The potatoes are cooked, the peas are cooked, and I garnish it with some green coriander. So once I have everything mixed, so I have the green coriander just garnished over my over my curry, and I'm just gonna give it a good stir again for like a few seconds, and it's ready to go. So this curry can be consumed with naan, bread, roti, as per you, or you can just have it with plain rice. Thank you for watching.